Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Opel Frontera, a stylish, smart, and practical SUV that's making waves in the crossover segment. Opel has truly stepped up their game with this latest version, combining modern design, smart technology, and efficient performance in a package that's both affordable and family-friendly. Let's begin with the exterior. The 2025 Frontera has a bold and dynamic look. At the front, it features Opel's signature visor grille, seamlessly integrated with sleek LED headlights, giving it a futuristic and aggressive face. The sculpted hood and muscular lines running along the sides add a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. From the rear, the Frontera looks just as impressive, with stylish LED taillights and a clean, modern tailgate design. The red color option really enhances its sporty character, making it stand out in any crowd. Whether you're in the city or heading off for a weekend getaway, the Frontera's presence is undeniable. Step inside, and the interior is where things get even more interesting. The cabin is clean, modern, and thoughtfully laid out. It features Opel's new dual-screen Pure panel display, a digital instrument cluster paired with a large central touchscreen, both housed in a minimalist, driver-focused dashboard. The materials used feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, quality stitching, and subtle chrome accents throughout. Space is generous for both front and rear passengers, and the seats are designed for long-distance comfort. Practicality is also key here, with multiple storage compartments, foldable rear seats, and a generous boot space. The Frontera delivers what families and everyday drivers need. Optional extras like a panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and advanced ambient lighting add a premium touch without pushing the price too high. Now let's talk about performance. The 2025 Opel Frontera is available with both petrol and all-electric powertrains. The petrol variant offers a 1.2L turbocharged engine that's efficient and responsive, paired with either a manual or automatic transmission. For those looking to go green, there's also a fully electric version, offering around 300 kilometers of range on a single charge. It's quiet, smooth, and surprisingly punchy in urban driving conditions. Opel has focused on comfort and drivability, so don't expect aggressive cornering, but the suspension does a great job soaking up bumps, and the steering is light and precise, perfect for city and suburban driving. When it comes to pricing, Opel is keeping things competitive. The base petrol variant of the 2025 Frontera is expected to start around €24,000 in European markets, with mid and high trim levels going up depending on options and drivetrain. The electric variant will start slightly higher, around €30,000, but will come well equipped even in its base form. Given the design, features, and flexibility it offers, the Frontera is great value for money.